Welcome back to Dan's Messy Garage. This is going to be day 19 of this pickup truck project. See, my sign's getting all dusty. Everything in the garage right now has yellow dust on it. You can see the floor. But Scott's on his way, and I believe he's bringing the pickup box. If he does, then I'll try to get a time lapse of us dropping it on here. I'm just waiting for him to get here and find out. Stay tuned. I'm gonna turn the truck around, then back the trailer in here so we can lift the bed, and then go back the truck back in under the bed. We'll get her done. We got the bed hanging here. He's about to back the truck in. You see he's got the T-Rex lining put in the truck. That looks good. Looks good. And he had the bottom all coated too with some kind of hard paint. But he's gonna move the red truck and trailer out of the way, and then back the 74 in under the bed, and we'll drop her down. We just have it hanging in chain fall, 4 ratchet straps. So I don't need that fan on right now. Heat's not on. You have the fan on when I turn the heat on to help circulate things. End of the project is near. Got the tailgate sitting out here. It was kind of drying in the sun. Sun's behind clouds right now. But it came out nice. Got the bed all bolted on. It went on pretty easy actually. It's held in with 8 bolts. Go up there, 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 and the 2 shiny ones back here. That one, that one. These other ones are in the old holes. Looking real good. You happy?
I'm very happy.
All right.
Very happy.
Okay.
Got a whole truck now instead of a half a truck.
Yep. I'm gonna attempt to put the back window in there. You just put soap around the gasket, put a rope inside, and pull it. Sometimes this works easy, sometimes it doesn't. We're gonna find out soon. Okay, we finally got the tailgate on. Took longer and more fiddling to get the tailgate on and to close and line up correctly than it did to put the whole bed on. But he's Gonna come back in the morning and pick the truck up. So that's gonna be the end of day 19. Thanks for watching Dan's Messy Garage. Have a good evening. Bye.